everybody, good morning. This is Jean here, Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for You. It's very early in the morning. I just woke up to many emails saying I was probably hacked. They had received, some of my viewers had received emails from not me, okay? I think nowadays people are pretty much aware that you receive an odd email from somebody saying, oh, reply back to me that we've been hacked. It's not from me. If any of you, I've received 6 comments saying, oh, Jean, heads up. Thank you so very, very much. What happened was, I believe yesterday, when I put up the video of my request that I had received from the Fabric Hut to do another quilt kit to make it for you viewers. It was just about a 4-minute video. On my master page on my computer, within just about 10-15 minutes, people had commented, oh yes, please make the video, please do the video, or please do the quilt kit. And then there were replies to those comments, to their comments. Fairly obscure with Jean something, and then they were receiving emails. That was not me, and I immediately removed and hid that user from my channel. They can no longer have access. But those few that did get through before I got to see that, were sending these obscure emails to people. So please just don't open them. I think I caught it in time. That person or that whatever horrible people, just don't open any emails. That's all. I know nowadays when you get something weird, excuse me, I keep getting hair in my mouth. I gotta wake up. Oh, please excuse me. Did I get it? Oh yeah, there it is. Oh no, it's attached. Anyway, I'm not awake yet. You must excuse me. Oh my goodness. But what a thing to wake up to. Oh, horrible. Anyway, I'm gonna go brush my teeth now. So again, just don't open any emails from me. It's not me. You know that. You guys know that. And hopefully it will be taken care of. I will be making that quilt though. I will be making the Whispering Pines quilt, pre-cut quilt kit. The message was resoundingly, yes, Jean, please do it. So I got to put my thinking cap on. I'll get in touch with Ricardo and tell him that, yeah, my viewers would like to see me make another quilt like that. I'll be doing whatever I do in this room anyway. Ian has been very busy. He will be getting to you. I will do a few more sharing is caring. I finished my Dresden plate, and I had gotten a few Dresden plate quilts from the project, which is so lovely. So anyway, thank you so much for understanding. I really appreciate it. And again, don't open any emails from me. It is not me. All right? All right, folks. Have a lovely day. See you later. Bye-bye.